Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to walk you step by step on how to use Claude AI, even if you've never tried it before. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get started. Step 1 is super simple. Sign up or log in. You can create an account with your email or use Google. Once you're in, you'll see the main chat interface. Next, click New Chat to begin. This is where you'll type your questions or tasks. Claude AI responds in real time, helping with writing, research, or idea generation. Step 3 is key. Ask clear and specific questions. For instance, instead of saying write something, say write a 200-word blog intro about productivity. The more specific you are, the better Claude AI answers. After Claude AI gives an answer, read it over and tweak if needed. You can copy the text, export it, or use it directly in your projects like emails, content, or business ideas. Finally, once you're comfortable, explore advanced features like summarizing long text, generating creative content, or even planning workflows. It really saves time once you get the hang of it. And that's your complete beginner guide to using Claude AI. Start small, practice, and soon you'll see how much it can help with productivity, writing, and more.